Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
A very warm good morning to all of you, my dear students. This is Nagma, your science teacher, and in the last video we will discuss about the physical properties of metals. Now in this video we will discuss about the physical properties of non-metals. So here we go. The non-metals may be in solids, liquid and gases in nature, and we will discuss about in metals that metals are in solids in nature. So if we take an example of solid, so here is carbon, sulfur and phosphorus in solid, and liquid are in bromine are in liquid form. And if we consider in gas example, so there is the oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen. Okay, so this is few examples of the solid, liquid and gases. So the next point we have the non-metals are soft, but diamond is the hardest natural substances. हमने देखा था कि metals में भी exceptions थे, इसी तरह से non-metals में भी exception है. All non-metals are soft, but few are hardest. For example, diamond. Okay. So next point we have in this, the non-metals do not have lustrous, means they do not reflect light or shine and have a dull luster. For example, such as coal, except iodine and graphite. Okay, so non-metals are not malleable. That means they do not form thin sheet by struck. In metal they are malleable and form thin sheets. Okay, so non-metals are not ductile. That means they break down when struck and cannot form wires. Non-metals which are solid and liquid have low metals. Solid and liquid form में होता है, उसका melting point low होता है. Okay, the non-metals are bad conductors of heat because in non-metals electrons का flow नहीं होता है, जिस वजह से वो bad conductors of heat and electricity होते हैं, such as carbon and sulfur. Okay, except graphite, it is a good conductor of electricity. Graphite को छोड़कर graphite हमारा good conductor of electricity होता है, and it is also exception of non-metals. Okay, so next point we have the non-metals are non-sonorous. हमने देखा था that metals are sonorous, that produce sound. We took an example of temple bell. हमने temple bell का example लिया था, but in the case of non-metal they are non-sonorous. That means they do not produce sound. So students, this is all about the physical properties of non-metals. We have studied about the physical properties of metals. Now video we will discuss about the chemical properties of metals. Okay, so till then practice करते रहिए, learn करते रहिए and safe रहिए, healthy रहिए. Okay, bye bye.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ EduFun क्लासेस. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.